These are some Britton Price lifts that have been modernised by elevation lifts at Fitzleet Multi-story Car Park in Bognor Regis. My old home.
Doors open.
And there we are on the car park level 8, which is a lift. Is actually car park level 4.
Doors closing.
These lifts are a set, meaning if you call this one, it will call this lift too. So this lift doesn't follow the same floor numbering as you see. It goes 2, 4, 6, 8, and on the lift it just goes 1, 2, 3, 4, with ground being Morrison's, which is obviously the lift come out.
Going down.
Flickery
Please
light on this
mind
one.
the door. Doors closing.
I must say that these lifts
Going down.
are very unreliable. They always have been, unfortunately. Oh my god, they're just old. Yeah, that light flickering light. Bloody hell. It's now maintained by amalgamated lifts, or AL. Jeez. Here's the actual floor numbering. Tells you what button to press. Oh yeah.
Doors opening.